Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this lecture, this is an introductory part to one of the very important lesson for the class 10 students. So in the next future videos, we are going to learn about the next exercise problems and very important problems related to arithmetic progression. So if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe this channel so that you may get all the notifications which have been uploaded by us. So let's start this video. So let me take a list of numbers, say 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So this is a list of number which continues throughout and we don't know the last number. So if you observe this number, there is a common number which is added to the preceding number to get the succeeding term. So what we call this each number in this type of list of numbers is what we call term. Understood? So next, and the fixed number which is added to the preceding term to get the succeeding term is what we call the common difference, and it is denoted by the letter small d. This is called common difference. So if you observe this list of numbers, the common difference is maintained throughout the list of numbers. So here also the common, to get the common difference you need to subtract the first term from the succeeding term, that is preceding term from the succeeding term. So in this case 3 minus 1 gives you 2, 5 minus 3 gives you 2. So this is called common difference. What's the meaning of common difference? It's the difference that is left out throughout the list of numbers. So we may define this is an example of arithmetic progression, that is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 and so on. This is an example of arithmetic progression, and arithmetic progression it can be defined as arithmetic progression is a list of basically it's a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number or the specific number to the preceding term. So let me go on to the next general form and general term of arithmetic progression. So note that friends, common difference can be 0, positive or even negative. So it differs from the situation, that is the type of arithmetic progression. So I hope you have understood the arithmetic progression, and arithmetic progression is denoted by AP. So there are two types of arithmetic progressions. One is finite arithmetic progression and second one is infinite arithmetic progression. So finite arithmetic progression is such in arithmetic progression in which the last term is known to us. So example 3, 3, 3, so on, and the last term is 3. So this is an example of finite arithmetic progression, and the previous example is an example of infinite arithmetic progression. So now we are going to study the general form and general term of arithmetic progression. So if you note that this progression, that is arithmetic progression, 1 is first term, 3 is second term, 5 is third term, 7 is fourth term. So in that way, so let us come to general form and general term of AP. So what do you mean by general form? So general form uh, is the form of arithmetic progression which is relevant to the arithmetic progression, and in which it is the representation of any arithmetic progression. So we know that A1 is the first term of common arithmetic progression, and similarly A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term, so on it will be continued till AN. So in this case AN is the last term of any arithmetic progression. So A1 can be written as just A, which is nothing but A. So to find A2, we need to add the common difference, that is D, to the preceding term, which is A1. So we can write as A1 plus D, in which D is the common difference. To get the A3, that is third term of arithmetic progression, we need to add second term plus common difference. To get the fourth term, we need to add the third term of arithmetic progression to the common difference. Similarly, to get the nth term, which is the last term, the preceding term to this nth term is an minus 1 and the succeeding term is an plus 1. So to get an, we can write as an minus 1 plus d, right? Similarly, this a can be written in the along with expression of the common difference as a plus 0d, right? It's nothing but a. Similarly, a2 can be written as a1 plus d. In this case, a1 is a plus common difference is d, right? Similarly, third term is second term, that is a plus d, this term plus common difference. Fourth term is a plus d along with common difference. Similarly, a nth term is adding the common difference to this term, right? So this first term can also be expressed or written as a plus 1 minus 1 into d, right? 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0 and 0 into d is 0. So a when added to 0 gives back the first term, that is a. A plus d can be written as a plus 2 minus 1 into d, right? Similarly, third term as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Similarly, fourth term as a plus 4 minus 1 into d, right? So similarly, we can write the last term as given below. So if you observe in this all the cases, a is common, right? So similarly, in nth term, a will be the first a, that is the first term of arithmetic progression. And next, plus is also common, so let us write plus. And first term is written as 1 minus 1, second term as 2 minus 1, third term as 3 minus 1. So nth term can be written as n minus 1. And also there is a common, that is multiplying of the common difference to each and every term. So we need to multiply the common difference to the even to the nth term, that is the last term. So finally we will be left with a plus 1 minus 1 into d can be written as a plus 2 minus 1 d can be, into d can be written as a plus d, third term as a plus 2d, fourth term as a plus 3d, right? So similarly we can write as general form of AP is given by a comma a plus d. These all are the general form, means the representation of any general arithmetic progression is what we call general form, and that is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on till a plus n minus 1 into d. So next let us go to the general term of arithmetic progression. So if you observe carefully, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what do you understand by the term general term? So general term is the representation of any term in any arithmetic progression is what we call as general term. So that is given by an, in which n is the number of terms we need to find. So general term can be written as, general term of AP can be written as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? In which n is the number of terms needed to be found, and in which a is the first term of arithmetic progression, and in which d is the common difference. I hope you have liked the introductory part, and I hope you have understood each and every concept in this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. So please share this channel to spread all the information that is provided in this video. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.